Do you want to know how you can add courses on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add courses on Duolingo. So go ahead and open Duolingo, which is on your phone. After you open it, make sure that you have logged into your account. On the left hand side, you can see the flag. Just go ahead and tap on it. And this way, you can add the courses. So you can see that the courses are over here, the classes are over here. So you can see that you can skip through classes as well. Go ahead and click on course and choose the language which you want to select and click continue. Now let's go ahead and click on I'm new, click continue, and you can continue by doing this. Now what you need to do is complete unit 1, lesson 1. So let's go ahead and click continue. Select the given words and complete the test.
Oh. Hallo, Julia, Kaffee und Milch.
Quando Corani va handle it.
Milch und Kaffee, bitte. Milch und Kaffee, bitte. Kaffee. Bitte.
Hallo. Kaffee
Milch. Bitte.
und
No, गराउनु मुझे यो जे गरे काट्नै पर्छ यो रियल.
Wait, when gonna see you? This is one.
After you completed your exam, just go ahead and click claim XP. And there you go. This is how you add courses on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.